Imagine you're holding a superhero shield, but instead of metal, it's made of something way more ordinary. Fiber. Yep, that same stuff your grandma probably told you to eat more of. But what if I told you that fiber might actually be the key to living a longer, healthier life? Maybe even saving it. Sounds dramatic. It is, but the science backs it up. Let's start with something wild. Most people aren't getting enough fiber. In fact, about 95% of us are falling short. That's like showing up to a sword fight with a butter knife. But the thing is, fiber isn't just some boring nutrient on the back of a cereal box. It's your body's secret weapon. So, what is fiber, really? It's a type of carbohydrate, but not the kind that spikes your blood sugar like candy or soda. Fiber is the part of plant foods your body can't actually digest. Instead, it travels through your system like a cleanup crew, sweeping out the stuff your body doesn't need, keeping everything running smoothly. And that's just the beginning. There are two main types of fiber: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and turns into a gel-like substance in your gut. Think oatmeal or apples. Soft, mushy, but powerful. It helps lower cholesterol and keeps your blood sugar stable, which means fewer energy crashes and mood swings. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve. It bulks up your stool and helps you, well, go to the bathroom. That's the kind you find in things like whole wheat bread, carrots, and nuts. But here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists have found that people who eat more fiber are less likely to die from heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even some cancers. Not less likely to get sick, less likely to die. That's a big deal. Let's talk heart disease, still the #1 killer worldwide. Fiber helps by lowering your LDL, the bad cholesterol. Imagine those little fiber particles in your gut trapping cholesterol and flushing it out of your body before it can clog your arteries. That's like hiring a plumber for your bloodstream. Now, diabetes. Fiber slows down how fast your body absorbs sugar. So instead of your blood sugar spiking like a roller coaster after a donut, it rises gently, like a balloon. This helps your body avoid insulin resistance, which is one of the first steps toward type 2 diabetes. And then there's cancer. Colorectal cancer, in particular. The link between fiber and lower cancer risk is so strong that the World Health Organization recommends upping your fiber intake as a preventive move. Some researchers even say that every 10 grams of fiber you eat daily could lower your risk of dying by 10%. 10 grams, that's like one bowl of lentils or a couple of pears. Pretty small trade-off for a longer life. But wait, fiber does more than protect you. It also feeds you, or at least it feeds your gut. Inside your belly is a massive community of bacteria called the microbiome. Think of it like a jungle, or better yet, a city. Some bacteria are like helpful citizens, others are like shady criminals. Fiber is food for the good guys. When they eat it, they produce substances called short-chain fatty acids. These have anti-inflammatory effects and can even help your brain. That's right, your gut talks to your brain. Ever had a gut feeling? It's more real than you think. Some scientists call the gut the second brain because it produces many of the same neurotransmitters. Eating more fiber can help reduce anxiety, improve mood, and even sharpen memory. Who knew a banana and some broccoli could make you smarter and happier? So why aren't more people loading up on fiber? Well, part of it is marketing. You don't see flashy commercials about lentils or chickpeas during the Super Bowl. And when people hear fiber, they often think of bland bran muffins or prunes. But fiber isn't boring. It's in fruits, veggies, beans, whole grains, stuff that can actually taste amazing when you know how to cook them. Ever tried roasted sweet potatoes with cinnamon? Game changer. Another reason is convenience. Fast food is fast. Fiber-rich food usually takes a little more time, but even small changes can make a big difference. Swap white bread for whole grain, add some berries to your cereal, snack on almonds instead of chips. It's not about going full health guru. It's about giving your body the fuel it's actually asking for. And get this, fiber might even help you lose weight because it fills you up. You feel full sooner and you stay full longer. That means fewer cravings, fewer snacks, and maybe fewer pounds. All without counting calories or cutting carbs. Just more plants, more crunch, more color on your plate. So can eating more fiber save your life? In a word, yes. It's not magic. It's not trendy. It's not a miracle pill. But it works. It's science. And maybe the best part? It's affordable. You don't need a personal trainer or a fancy diet app. Just start with an apple, or some brown rice, or a handful of carrots. It's one small habit that can lead to some pretty big results. So next time you're making a food choice, ask yourself, is this feeding my future? Because your body and your life might just thank you for it.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.